When snow and ice hit the area, keeping roadways and pathways safe is your top priority. Each day, you are met with long hours and brutal conditions. At Extreme Ice Control, we want to help you get your job done. During winter weather events, Extreme Ice Control is open 24 hours a day, providing full service support and backup to snow and ice contractors, towns, and facility managers. One way we believe in combating winter weather woes is through the proactive use of salt brine, a mixture of sodium chloride and water. Applied to roads and walkways before a snow or ice event, salt brine is a highly effective anti-icing product that prevents ice from bonding to the surface. Salt brine is an economical approach to eliminating dangerous winter ice. Not only is it less expensive than regular rock salt, brine will not bounce or blow off the road. It stays where it's sprayed, eliminating wasteful loss and allowing the product to actively stop ice before it's formed. And increased efficiency means less product is used, minimizing the environmental impact. Extreme Ice Control knows the power of brine. That's why we manufacture the liquid on site. We keep 30,000 gallons of salt brine on hand and can produce up to 5,000 gallons per hour. A perfect solution to staying ahead of the storm, brine can be applied up to 3 days in advance of a storm and will be ready to perform when the first snowflake falls. Not only do we supply salt brine, we can apply the product in unmarked trucks, so you receive the benefits of our ice control solutions without the cost of additional vehicles and sprayers. Remember, it takes less product to prevent ice than to eliminate it once it's been formed. Let Extreme Ice Control help you through the storm. Visit Extreme Ice Control at www.extremeIcecontrol.com or call us at 800-281-4778.